Hello, Year 7. So today we are looking at measuring the circumference of a circle. So we're going to start with our timetable starters as always. So have a go at those and pause. So here's the answers, just marking your own. So here we've got just a quick diagram of a circle, and we've got the circumference and the diameter labeled. So the circumference is just what we call, it's a special name for the perimeter of a circle. So the perimeter is when we go all the way around a shape, and circumference is just a special name we give to one when we've got a circle. And then we've got our diameter going across here, which is a line going from one side of the circle to the other, going through the middle. So our first job today, we're going to draw a table. Nothing very fancy. Going to have 4 columns. So our first column is labeled object. That's the object we're going to be measuring. So our second column is our circumference. Right. My writing is too big to get circumference in there. We're going to measure that in centimeters. Our second column is our diameter, and we're going to measure that in centimeters also, and we're going to leave that final column blank. So once you've drawn your table, I want you to watch this video. There should be a link on the assignment. Watch this video. It's just going to show you how to easily measure the circumference of some circular objects around your house. Anything you can think of, like a can of pop, a Pringles tube, anything that's got a circle shape in it. Measure the circumference and the diameter of each object, maybe 5 or 6 if you could manage, and then make sure you write down your results in your table. So pause the tape and come back when you have finished. So welcome back. So this is what I did. I've only done 2, just to show you as an example what you're going to do. So using a calculator, what I'd like you to do is sorry, not a calculator yet, sorry, because what we're going to do is fill in this 4th column. And it says there, look, it's the circumference divided by the diameter. So now we're using a calculator. Okay, so this is my examples that I'm going to be doing. If you could write this down. So my tomatoes, I've got a circumference of 22 centimeters and a diameter of 7 centimeters. So in your calculator, you're going to put in 22 divided by 7 equals, my calculator has decided to stop working. Right, let me try again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write our answer down to rounded to 2 decimal places. So I've got 3.142857. So I'm going to just write 3.14. My second example, I've got a tin of Quality Streets. Sadly, it's got glue sticks in and no Quality Streets, but I've got a circumference of 58 centimeters and a diameter of 18. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to put in 58 divided by 18 and put that into my calculator now. And I've got 3.22. Okay, what I should have been doing also is filling these in. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is to make these calculations for your own objects, dividing the circumference by the diameter. And once you've done that, pause while you're doing that, and then once you've finished, we'll have a chat about what your results were. So, welcome back, year 7. So, what you should have seen, if you'd done these correctly, which I'm sure you did, was all of these numbers, all of these circumference divided by diameters would have all been around the same size. So all around 3.1, 3.2. And that's not a coincidence, that is for a very special reason. Right, this is a picture of Archimedes. He lived thousands and thousands of years ago in ancient Greece. And he was one of the first people to discover that there's a direct relationship between the circumference of a circle and the diameter of a circle. And if you divide the circumference by the diameter, you keep getting the same answer. Oops. Right, and this is the mythical or special number we know as pi. So this here is our symbol for pi. It's a Greek letter, and it goes on forever and ever and ever. Nobody's found the end of the number yet. Okay, and we use this symbol pi as well. And we use it in maths because we say that the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. So this is really important. So if you can copy this into your book. And next lesson, we're going to be looking at how we're going to use this fact that the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter and help us with some calculations. Thank you very much.